Hello everyone, in this problem we are given a line segment on which two circles are placed. These two circles are identical and are placed in such a way that both the circles are tangent to the line segment and also tangent to each other. If the radii of these two circles is 8 units, now we have another circle, smaller circle, which is stuck between the line segment and two circles in such a way that it is tangent to the line segment and tangent to both of the circles. By this limited data, we have to find the radius of this smaller circle. Let we move toward the solution. First of all, we mark the center point of this small radius and this point of tangency. We draw a line segment from this point to this line segment. Here this small length is the radius of smaller circle and let we call it as r. Now we draw the radii of this larger circle to the tangency point of the line segment. If we join these 2 points, then definitely this length is 8 units. Since this is 8, so this length is also 8 units, and since this length is r, so this length is also r. Now this angle is of 90 degree and we join the center of this circle and this smaller circle. Here we can see that this patch is radius of this larger circle and this patch is radius of smaller circle. So this length is 8 and this length is r. Here we can see that this is a right triangle with this side 8, this side 8 plus r, and this side as 8 minus r. So using Pythagorean theorem on this right triangle, we have 8 minus r square plus 8 square, that is equal to 8 plus r square. Expanding the binomial on left and right, 8 minus r square is equal to r square minus 16r plus 64. 8 square is 64 and 8 plus r square is equal to r square plus 16r plus 64. R square on left and right will be cancelled out. Moreover, 64 will be cancelled out, and after simplification we have 32r is equal to 64, and thus radius of this smaller circle is equal to 2 units. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching.